Hello friend, welcome to your channel. How to know? In this video, I'm going to tell you about the recruitment from the Gate.io coming in the news, and I will tell you how you can apply for the post and for the vacancy. The vacancy name is CM from alternative language region. Okay, just you have to click on the link given in the description section. After that, you will negotiate directly to this page. Here you can see Get Union. We recruit CM from alternative language regions. Okay, Get.io. Would you like to join Get.io? Would you like to be a witness to growth of Get.io? Get.io is now organizing a CM recruitment program for the alternative language region to invite other influencers who are still not part of the Get.io to join. If you are interested in it, come and join now. So duration will start from 17th of January. It is already started, and it will end of 24th of January. Okay. So to participate, just I will mention the link in description section. Just you have to click on the link given here. So let's see how it will work. First of all, you need to complete participation form by clicking the link given in the description section. After that, a page will be open where you have to enter your information. I will just explain much more on that. Let's see further. After that, we will see how we can fill the form, including monthly salary, expectation, your channel like YouTube, Twitter, TikTok, etc., your skill and language, etc., so that Gator can be can your ability to kind respond. You will be informed by our team member via email or telegram once your application is approved. Afterward, the team will communicate with you in a detail of the information. So first of all, you need to fill this form, and after that you can directly you have to input some information out with the Gate.io, and you will be contacted by directly from the Gate.io. So if you want to earn monthly income, and if you want to a job on the cryptocurrency market, then you have there is a best platform available here. Its name is Gate.io. Simply you have to click on the link. Okay, let's see what is qualification required to be eligible for filling the form. First of all, Chinese can be your working language. It is not necessary that you must know the Chinese language. Okay, Chinese will be preferred, and it will be a positive point in respect of your selection. So next option is master in at least one of alternative language other than Chinese, like Vietnamese, Russian, Turkish, Spanish, Portuguese, German, French, Hindi, etc. And have a good understanding of cryptocurrency industry. If you are applying for this post, then you must have knowledge about the crypto industry, and you have information, much more information about the industry, then you can apply on this post and have a certain coordinating ability. You should have a certain coordinating ability with the Gate.io team and other users. So can promote Gates event based on our team members' need, and who is able to promote their events based on the requirement, which is will be said by the Gate.io member also to you if you are getting selected in this recruitment process. There is some point to be noted, which is there. All participants need to fill the application form, otherwise they will not be reached. Okay, participants must agree and comply with the Gate.io terms. Any content or action that could bring disrepute to Gate.io brand is strictly prohibited. Only successful applicants will be contacted by the Gate.io team directly. Gate.io reserve all right to final selection. Okay, so this is it for all the procedure. It was a procedure. Let's see how you can fill the form and what is required in the filling form. Just you have to click on the link given in the description section as well, and also sign up link is given over there from where you can join the sign up get.io directly from that link. Okay, so it is requested you just to visit subscribe my channel, and if you want to be a part of the get.io, then you can use the link given in the description section. So here let's go. First of all, as you can see here, it is asking for login first. Okay, let's log in. Here I am logged in to my account, and here you can see the welcome page, Gate Union Local CM Hiring, and duration is 17th January to 24th of January. And here you can see data union recruitment. Would you like to witness to grow? As I already told you. So to fill the form, to fill the eligibility form, just you have to enter first of all your UID. So mine is 28850. So just I have entered it, and mail ID, which by using which you have to register on get.io. Have to mail ID also, and after registering, you just have to put here your Telegram network ID. Okay, then you have to put your current country name. Suppose uh, how to know @gmail.com is my email ID, and Telegram channel is e-telegram. How to know? It may be different. You can see your Telegram ID in the channel list. Okay, and you have to enter your country, whichever from where you are entering here. So you can enter your monthly salary expectation based on. So if you want to if you are expecting any monthly salary like 100 USDT, so you have to mention here 100 USDT. Or if you want to uh, earn 1000 USDT, just you have to mention here 1000 USDT, and you have to mention here working hours, like from how much time you can work. So here you have to mention in UTC time zone. And then next question is, do you have any experience in overseas media operation? So if you are having any experience in overseas media, then you have to click yes. And you have to any experience, or if you don't have any experience, then you will not need to mention. You have to click on the no. And can be Chinese your language, then you have to click here. And if you not know, then you have to click no. Then after that, here alternative language, you have to click Indian. If you are from the India, then you have to submit your uh, form. When you click submit, then this puzzle will open. Here you have to slide it, and you have to fix in this box. And after that, you will get notification that thank you for sharing. Here you can see I got a message, thank you. Okay, so it means my form has been submitted successfully, and after some time I will get informed by the Get.io team if I am selected for the screening purpose. And after that, the Get.io team will contact directly to me, and all the negotiation possibly will go on the mail. So I hope this is video information for you all, and thank you all for the subscribe my video. And thanks, and please subscribe my channel and do like share my channel. Thank you.